I'm sure your algorithms have been feeding you lots of sponsored promo posts telling you why you should trade on this terminal or this app or that app. So I kind of want to walk you guys through what a non-biased week of trading actually looks like, some of the best tools and resources for scouting and finding alpha, and how I'm set up and diversifying my funds across some of the best mobile trading setups, but also some of the best desktop trading setups so that I can never miss out on any opportunities. Most of my success this week did come on FOMO, which is really cool to see because I've been really enjoying the mobile trading setup they have on their app store. And I think I've been having a lot of success because it's made it very easy for me to enter and exit really good coins just on my phone, which not a lot of other applications have done so. The other application that I use a lot pretty much every single day is the GMGN trading app. So between FOMO and GMGN, I have pretty much all of my mobile and desktop trading needs ready for me. If you guys are not familiar with FOMO, it's one of the best iOS trading apps in my opinion as a user who's not sponsored by anyone. And this web terminal is actually new for them. I actually have it open pretty much 24/7 because this makes it very easy for me to see my alerts tab, which I can see all the wallets that I track. I can also show you my best trades. This was Momota actually this past week, which was one of my better trades. And also this past week was Blink. I'll review those trades later in this video. It shows you my holdings in a very clean and concise way. It shows the people I'm following and my followers. And one of the really good stuff is this left-hand tab. You can actually open it and split it to the right and have multiple of them open. I can have the leaderboard on the left. And when I actually split it, I can have the leaderboard open and I can also have my trading tab open where I'm tracking people's wallets. This is really helpful for trading on desktop, but this same application is even cleaner on the iOS app. Make sure you guys sign up on FOMO using the link down below. And then once you enter, just type KAVO, code CAVO, and it's going to get you guys higher rewards and lower fees. So make sure to do that and then reply to this video when you're done. I'm actually up 7K this week just on FOMO. And I think FOMO is the perfect intersect between trading terminals and iOS. And I think having this void filled in your trading setup as a new trader, experienced trader, or anything in between is going to make your life so much easier and you might become so much more profitable. This is what the things that I'm going to share in this video. So make sure get started with FOMO. Use the link down below if you want to. Use code CAVO. And from there, you can follow my account if you want to and see the accounts that I follow, because I think there's a lot of alpha just in the accounts that I follow personally. I'm going to walk you guys through some FOMO setup, but also GMGN, because I think that having these two in your setup, pretty much FOMO with GMGN side by side, I might be introducing some more stuff later in my setup, but I think just making it very simple and concise right now is a trader's best friend and a best tool. So yeah, let me walk you guys through some of the stuff I wanted to discuss in this video. Now, regardless of your trading style or your trading experience, I think information flow is by far your most essential asset when it comes to trading. Information flow on new accounts, on developers, on coins, on theses, on wallets. Pretty much everything right now in the game is information flow and speed. Information flow in the sense that all you need is a couple free tools and applications to get started and see success, in my opinion. My setup is completely free. Everything I have access to, you guys have access to as well. X, aka a Twitter account, FOMO account, a GMGN trading account, and pretty much Google search. And bonus points to you if you're in a good alpha group or a trading group where you guys share information, whether that be on Discord or Telegram. Now, all 4/5 of these things serves a critical role in your setup. And let me show you how. FOMO is by far the biggest, fastest growing trading tool for free completely on iOS and on web. And it's because of the number of traders that have joined and are trading on FOMO. Now on FOMO, when you click on the leaderboard, it kind of shows you how many people are above you. Now I've bought a couple slap coins in the past 24 hours, so I'm down $470. And there's 256,000 people ahead of me. A lot of these accounts have not traded, so they're at $0. A lot of them are positive, negative, but regardless, there's 250,000 people minimum on this app. And it's been popping off for 2026. But when you go 7 days, I'm top 500 when it comes to these traders. So this is probably the top 1% of traders right now. Some cool things you can see on FOMO is everyone's position size, everyone's portfolio size, and everyone's top trades. Now, all three of these things in tandem can make for really good traders popping off on the leaderboard. If you can find these traders early on and kind of get some thesis from them on why they're buying and selling coins, that's going to be really helpful for you. For example, Cordy is one of the top traders this week. He's up 300K and lots in unrealized profits. When you click on any coin he's holding, you can read all of the thesis that he's posted for a coin. So you can do this on your phone, laying in bed, scrolling, doing whatever. But you can also do this on the web app and you can read pretty much why he's invested in this coin, why he's buying it. Every single thesis and update, as you guys can see, this one got 500 likes. You can see where he bought the coin, what market cap. FOMO just makes it very easy in the sense that you have full exposure and there's pretty much no blind spots when it comes to finding coins. Now, when you pair that with a really good DEX like GMGN, which I've been using for a long time, you can add your your own wallets on here that are not on FOMO. They're actually just EVM, Sol wallets, anything in between, and having a really good trending tab here where you can filter between 1 minute, 5 minute trending. And I can use the information flow from FOMO to make a decision and a trade on GMGN or FOMO itself. I've been using FOMO for a lot more conviction bag buys. That's why I'm up 10K this week on that account. GMGN is more of like a quick, but regardless, I use both of these in tandem, and these are my trading and information flow. When it comes to Twitter, you're pretty much going to be using this for everything in between. The QWERTY person that I was just telling you about on FOMO is also big on Twitter, and he's been bull posting this coin often. And just being able to sit here and scroll and find information flow for completely free, memes, everything in between has been really good. A good example of this was this coin on BSC that I currently still holding, sold some, I might even buy some more here, and pretty much just the viral cat that I saw scrolling on Twitter. And this coin went from 50K market cap all the way to 800K so far. And it's coins like these that make for good profits. Now, when it comes to Google search, take the information flow from FOMO, GMGN trending tab, from Twitter, TikTok, and then bring them to Google and figure out if they're actually good or not. When you go back to my top trades, this Momota trade was one of my best. And it's this really viral polar bear that went viral in Japan. It's been consolidating for about 3 months, but it finally popped off and I made roughly 8K profit on this coin. Now, using Google Trends, Google searches, you can even just find alpha just by typing the name of the coin in Google. And one of the most cool and unique things that led to that catalyst was actually this Google edition in which they added the Momota polar bear with the cone on top of his head. And you can pretty much sit here and spam the cone, which is like a very interactive process that I have never seen before from Google, adding an animal and something viral, like fully interactive on Google. And you can pretty much just sit here and spam this, which in my opinion was cool, unique. Bought the coin before this happened and sold on this catalyst when other people found out about this. Now, another really slept on feature for FOMO is just their feed option, because not many people have a good list of wallets to track. Once you download FOMO, use my link, get started, you can see the accounts that I follow, which I think I follow a good amount of really profitable wallets, but people who are in stuff early. Feel free to go through those, find some wallets that you like. But just the feed tab, you can sit here and just see everything that people are buying and selling. This BNB coin, this Sol coin, like these are just random people that are trading, buying and selling on FOMO, even big wallets, small wallets, everything in between. You can read their daily recap as well. You can see their listings, their leaderboard, their tokens. Like this kind of information flow was really not available to traders up until this year. And FOMO really made it easy for you to get this thesis not only on your phone, but also with their new web app. And thanks to all these resources, I've been having some pretty solid success on FOMO in the past few weeks. And I'm looking to keep building this portfolio up and seeing how high I can get it. Being able to curate your information flow so that you can go onto FOMO and onto GMGN and actually find and spot and buy these coins for multiple X's all starts with you curating your own Twitter feed. And if you guys see just like a look into my Twitter feed, it's pretty much only crypto content, charts, numbers, everything, memes, pretty much everything that's going to help me find the next cook. If you guys are not already following my Twitter, definitely make sure to do that at tjrtrades. If you're not following my FOMO and using the link down below, definitely do that at Cavo. Definitely make sure you guys are curating your feed with good quality stuff. Follow quick crypto accounts, follow accounts that post alpha and post thesis. And from there, use your edge as a trader and as a finder to find the next cook. There's lots of opportunities every single day, and just by looking at this trending tab, this crypto tab, this most held tab, I can pretty much spot and see opportunities. And if you guys want to even find something at a lower market cap, you just click on this graduated tab. It's going to say trade with caution at the top. That's because these are lower market cap coins, and you can sit here pretty much all day long. It's the same as the trenches tab here on GMGN, and it shows you recent deploys. Sometimes tend to use FOMO for higher mid market caps and coins that are trending just based on volume. And having this perfect mix of these two has made it infinitely easier to spot and buy the next cook. And this is pretty much a summary to my mind, and this is how I was able to make upwards of 10K profit in the last 7 days of locking in. 2 more weeks in August. I'm looking to keep running it up, and I'm going to keep making some more content for you guys. Definitely follow me on FOMO and on Twitter, X if you're not already. Hit the link down below to get started with FOMO. This code's going to get you lower fees and more rewards, so definitely make sure to get started. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and definitely leave a comment if you have any questions or anything you want to talk about in the comments. I tend to respond to all the comments, so I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.